Hi everyone, good morning. How are you all? It's me again, Miss Diary, and welcome to my vlog. So, today, after a long time, ayun, makaka-upload na naman ako ng video. And we are going to Sharjah. Yes, we are going to visit some of the known places in Sharjah together with, of course, my family and my brother-in-law, Verge. So, samahan nyo kami. And I hope that you will enjoy this video. It will be the first time of you want to go there. And it will be our second time. So, ayun, let's go. And let's have some fun. Happy weekend, everyone. Shout out to all of you who are watching right now. Especially to Team Paangat. Shout out po sa inyong lahat. And let's go. Let's watch the video and enjoy our day. Bye!
Pagod tayo. Papahinga po na tayo. Outdoor theater, kids play area.
Kids play area. Look at the view. Look at the view. It's very nice. So, ayun na nga. We are here at She's Park. Ayan. 1 hour and 30 minutes yung travel from our place to here. Ayun, sobrang lamig. Grabe. Umalis kami doon ng ng around 9. So, dumating kami ng mga 10:30. First time namin dito. So, ayun. Para siyang market. May mga nagbebenta ng mga prutas, kahit kahit ano-anong mga binebenta nila. Tapos lang siya, tabi ng highway. Ayun. May mga sila, kids play. And maganda yung place, in fairness. So, do you like the place? What can you say about the place? What can you say about the place?
Cold.
It's very cold, by the way. See, I'm wearing this jacket.
It's good to have 2 ice cream.
And
You have to eat ice cream.
So, may tatlo akong suot.
Yung
Sobrang
outside,
lamig.
malamig. Yung inside mo,
Yung
malamig.
pangloob, sweater, tsaka ito pa, oh, puffy jacket. Oh.
Magbalas na yung, ano, oh, pagka-brain mo, pagka-brain free. Ayun, extra ka paket ka dyan.
Oh, grabe kalamig. Diyos ko. Dapat pala, hindi ako nag-short.
Malamig ba? Hindi ko maramdam ang legs ko.
Ya, banget mais. Mais tamis pakai.
Nice, Dad.
Mais yang pakai.
Ito, oh. Sobra! What's that? What are you buying? Oh, mango. Tira mo yung gaganda sa spread. Oh my God. Yung ano, tira mo. May show din sila, oh. Dad. Tinan yung mga plate numbers. 24. Wow, meron pang isa. Tinan nyo. Oh, 7777. Dad! Nasa ang isa kasi kanan. Hindi na siya apilito. Wow, look at that car. Oh my God, look at that car. 883. Ayan ang mga lokal, oh. Nagpapakita ang gilas ng mga ng mga sasakyan nila. Mga supercars, mga Ferrari, mga lahat na. Ferrari, Porsche. Ayan. Sports cars. Dami nila. Mga locals. So we are in our second destination. It's called Ausoho Breast area. Oh my god, ang taas namin. Imagine, nasa tuktok kami ng bundok. Good job kay Mikra, nakayanan niya yung bundok. Ano siya, parang 800 meters elevation or more than that. Grabe. Right now, it's I think 11 p.m. Maaraw, sobrang maaraw, pero okay lang, malamig, sobrang lamig naman. I'll take some video, ang ganda ng view actually.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible.
So it's 12 past 12 noon, and we are now going back. Oh no, now we are going to our next destination, which is the Corfacan Amphitheater. So may previous video ako dun, saglit lang yun na video. And yes, nag-lunch na kami dito, and in fairness, affordable naman yung yung food nila, and okay naman yung food, masarap din. So ayun, after this we're going to Amphitheater, and then we're going to Alrafisa Dam, our 2 more destinations. Ang ganda talaga ng view. Ayan, let's go. Ano gagawin? May construction na nangyayari dito. Baka may play. Or baka may night market dito. So, ayan. I'll show you the amphitheater. It's behind me. There. See that?